So apparently I have an apple orchard. Where did it go? Aha. And then this other one. And then I know this is a plum tree, but this is a pink lady. And then those two, there and there, are Liberty apples. Oh, and of course I got some Tabasco peppers, more tomatoes, more Tabasco peppers, and potatoes planted there and there for fall, as well as jalapenos are still producing. I planted these, I mean, look, oh my God, they're like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these jalapenos. They're everywhere. I mean, that's literally full. All of them. I mean, look. And then here I got winter or fall winter squash, more onions, and then here I got more tomatoes and turnip greens, and here mustard greens and a cat. What do you? Yeah, you don't like it. And peppers. Look. This one died. It's coming. It's just coming up from by its own. What do you think, Kiki? Yeah.